to Profencial Paramvir. Today we'll be doing part 2 of sample paper solving for class 8. So guys, if you haven't watched my previous videos, do watch them. After this video, I have done coal and petroleum in one shot. I have done combustion and flame in one shot. I have also done important questions of light chapter. I have also done most important diagrams for class 8. And guys, happy National Science Day. It is a National Science Day. So very happy National Science Day to all of you. And this is a part 2 of sample paper solving for class 8 science. Let's go guys. So rules I have already told you in my previous part, and today we are gonna be doing section C and section D. Section C will contain 8 questions carrying 3 marks each. Basically they are short questions. Section D will contain 4 questions carrying 5 marks. They are long questions, and in part 1 we did section A and section B carrying total of 36 marks, and today we'll be doing remaining 44 marks. Let's go guys. Section C, short questions, total 8 questions carrying 3 marks each, 24 marks. So guys, first short question. What do you understand by the blind spot of the eye? The blind spot of the eye is a spot. This is not sport, it is spot. There it is written by mistake. The blind spot is a spot where an optic nerve connects to the retina, which has no light sensitive cell, so you don't see anything there. This is called blind spot. Question number 2. Describe any 3 methods of preventing water pollution. So, use the minimum amount of detergent or bleach when you are washing clothes or dishes. We should use minimum amount of detergent or bleach when we are washing clothes or we are washing dishes. Use only phosphates, free soaps and detergents. Minimize the use of pesticides, herbicides and fertilizers. Do not decompose these chemicals, motor oil or other automotive fuels into the sanitary sewer or storm sewer systems. Question number 3. Differentiate between thermosetting plastic and thermoplastic. Thermosetting plastics cannot be bent easily. They cannot be softened on heating. They cannot be reshaped. And thermoplastics can be bent easily and they can be softened easily on heating. They can be reshaped and molded easily. Question 4 of the short questions. What is irrigation? What are the types of irrigation? Well, irrigation is the process of supplying of water to crops at different intervals. There are 2 types of irrigation: drip irrigation and sprinkler system. 5th question. Why should paper be saved? Prepare the list of ways. How can you save the paper? Paper should be saved because it takes around 17 full-grown trees to make a 1 ton of paper. Trees, as we know, are important to maintain a balance of nature. Therefore, in order to save trees and prevent the impact of their loss on living organisms, we need to save the paper. This is the reason why we save the paper. And 6th question. List the changes taking place at puberty. Well, 3 changes taking place at puberty are: sudden increase in height and weight. In boys, the hairs start growing on areas like hands and chest, etc. Change in voice in males. Question number 7. Tell any 2 effects of acid rain. Acid rain has been shown to have adverse impact on forests, freshwaters and soils, killing insect and aquatic life forms, causing paint to peel, corrosion of steel structures such as bridges, and weathering of stone buildings and statues, as well as having impacts on human health. Question 8. Suppose you are outside of your home and earthquake strikes. Suppose you are outside of your home and the earthquake strikes. What precaution would you take to protect yourself? Well, you should stay away from buildings, trees, electric poles. If you are in a car, then drive to an open area and do not come out of the car until the earthquake stops or you reach a safe place. And make sure you go to a clear spot and you just wait there until the tremble stops. Question D. Long questions, 4 questions, carrying 5 marks each, total of 20 marks. Let's go, guys. First question. Avoid plastics as far as possible. Explain. Plastics are non-biodegradable. Plastic cannot be decomposed when left in open for a long time. We should use cloth bags and jute bags for shopping. Plastic do not react with air and moisture. We do not use plastics also because it has lot of poisonous gases. Moving on. Explain how can you take care of your eyes. Well, do not look at the sun directly. Never rub your eyes. Wash eyes frequently with clean water. If advised, use suitable spectacles. Always read at normal distance for vision. Do not read by bringing the book too close to your eyes or keeping it too far. Third question. What are microorganisms? Name the different type of microorganisms. Well, the small organism which can be seen only through a microscope and can't be seen through naked eyes are called microorganisms. There are 5 types of microorganisms: bacteria, fungi, algae, protozoa, and viruses. Last question. What are methods to control the noise pollution? The noise pollution can be controlled by reducing the respective sources of noise pollution. The blowing of horns and speakers should be strictly avoided near schools and hospitals. More and more trees should be planted on roadside because trees absorb the sound. That was all for this video, guys, and we are done with the solving of sample paper. And do watch my previous videos if you haven't watched yet. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Make sure you do like the video, do share it, and subscribe to the channel. Let's make our subscribers 70 by the end of this month. Bye, guys. Take care.